Welcome to Kian Technology. Today I am going to present my project Student Recruitment CRM and comparative to platform design for education consultant or student requirement against, and this system organization managed to complete student admission journey from a first inquiry to universal application, visa processing, final enrollment, all through the centralized dashboard. It is streaming lead managed to counselor assignment applications tracking and student communication reduction or manual working through improvement operational or efficiency. When you log in this page, so you can securely log in with the help of authentication or authorization. And if I talk about this dashboard, so the dashboard is very clear to see that from date to date, country, counselor, state intake or leads source. Many operation sources are available. Inquiry form is also open, like name, email, phone, source, branches, inquiry system, date, inquiry, and country, counselor name, POT name, status name, assign counselor, which counselor to you assign, and send the email with the help of send grade email, or we can easily call the client or student. Many things, leads are coming here. You can easily assign the counselor like that. Yes, select the counselor from date or up to date, date or next date. That is very beneficial for student life. And student detail is also coming here, like add detail, add the student name, father's name, mother's name, email, password, date of birth, mobile number. Many more things are fill this form, and after that you can save the details, and you can easily communicate with the group and chat to counselor or assigner. You can easily search the university at the universities. You, universities can add only admin, another one cannot add, or add counselor. Menu is also available here, like add staff, add task, new task, or permissions roles, processing the details, and payment invoices are also coming here, like download the PDF, visa processing list. Here you can easily see that visa processing list. So thank you so much for watching this video. That's all for my side. Thank you all of you.